In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to electronically sign a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You'll land on the home screen which shows recent files and tools. We're going to bring in the document you want to sign. Head to the top left menu and choose Open. This will launch your file picker. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored, select the file you need, and click Open again to load it into Acrobat. Once your PDF is open, take a moment to confirm you're on the correct page where the signature belongs. Now look to the sidebar of the app to find the tools. Click Fill and Sign. This tool is specifically designed for adding information like text, check marks, and signatures without changing the underlying content of the PDF. In the Fill and Sign toolbar, choose Add Signature. A panel appears with a few options. If you already have a saved signature or you prefer a clean typed style, choose Type. Acrobat will render your name in a signature-like font. You can cycle through the available styles to find one that looks professional and matches your preference. If you'd rather create a handwritten look, choose Draw. Use your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus to draw your signature. Take your time here. Smooth, steady strokes work best. If it doesn't look right, clear it and try again until you're happy. When your signature looks the way you want, click Apply. Your signature now follows your cursor. Move it to the exact place where the signature line appears. Click once to place it. If it's not the right size, grab a corner handle and drag to make it larger or smaller. You can nudge it into perfect alignment so it sits neatly on the line or within the designated box. If you need to reposition it, click and drag it again until it's perfectly placed. At this point, your signature is on the page and the document is ready to be saved. Click the Save button to write your changes to the file. If you want to preserve the original unsigned document, consider using Save As to create a copy with a new name. That way, you'll keep a clean version for future use while maintaining a signed version for sharing or submission. That's it! Your PDF is now electronically signed in Adobe Acrobat. You can close the document, email it, or upload it wherever it needs to go, knowing the signature is embedded and professionally placed.